Okay, we're off to NGC 502. The galaxy is fairly bright, magnitude 12.8. Small though, 1.1 by 1 arc-minute lenticular spiral, 111 million light years distant. Here's our 75x view. There's probably our galaxy right there, centered up. It's at right ascension, 1 hour, 22 minutes, 55 seconds, and a declination of plus 9 degrees, 2 minutes and 55 seconds at 111 million light year distance. Probably means it's less than 40,000 light years in diameter. Okay, we're back up to that northerly galaxy group for NGC 507 in Pisces. You can see it there. This was the Aegean, so it should be in this region here somewhere. It's magnitude 11.2. Ooh, maybe these are too faint. That looks pretty bright right there. 4 by 4 lenticular spiral. Let's push it up a little bit, see if we can't bring out more. Yeah, you can see luminosity around the outside of that lenticular, almost a sense of a border. 224 million light years distant puts this one at close to 250,000 light years in diameter, probably twice Messier 31. We're at right ascension, 1 hour, 23 minutes, 39 seconds, with a declination of plus 33 degrees, 15 minutes, and 21 seconds. I would venture to call this the NGC 507 galaxy group in Pisces. Okay, we're seeing this galaxy straight away. NGC 520 is a galaxy in Pisces. Magnitude 11.4, largest 3.7 by 1.5 arc minutes. Spiral with a lowercase a. 98 million light years distant, so maybe 50,000 light years in diameter. Right ascension, 1 hour, 24 minutes, 34 seconds, with a declination of plus 3 degrees, 47 minutes, and 30 seconds. This one is very highly perturbed and has lots of texture in it. Now visiting NGC 522, galaxy in Pisces, magnitude 12.9, 2.8 by 0.5. Oh yeah, I think that sweetie is right there. Really seriously, Aegean. Spiral with a lowercase bc, 120 million light years distant, means it's probably over 100,000 light years in diameter. We're at right ascension, 1 hour, 24 minutes, 45 seconds, and a declination of plus 9 degrees, 59 minutes, and 40 seconds. Beauty. Okay, conditions seem to be holding up pretty good this evening. We're now at NGC 523, which is also 537, so we can skip that one to Galaxy in Andromeda. It is magnitude 12.7, very Aegean. Let's get back to this view. You can see it right there. 2.5 by 0.7 arc minutes, 216 million light years distant, right ascension. 1 hour, 25 minutes, 20 seconds, with a declination of plus 34 degrees, 1 minute, and 29 seconds. Disturbed by some really serious line of sight stars right there, however, in its view. Our next view is probably the brightest galaxy of the evening, NGC 524, galaxy in Pisces. Magnitude 10.3, 3.2 by 3.2, yeah, pretty much face on. Spiral with a lowercase a, 107 million light years distant. Right ascension is 1 hour, 24 minutes, 47 seconds, with a declination of plus 9 degrees, 32 minutes, and 20 seconds. This one is probably somewhere around 125,000 light years in diameter. NGC 529 is a galaxy very close to the last one. It's a galaxy in Andromeda, magnitude 12.1, 2.4 by 2.1 arc minutes. Lenticular spiral, 221 million light years distant, maybe 140,000 light years in diameter. RA1, 2540, declination plus 34, 42, 46. Okay, while there may be high thin clouds in the sky, the histogram hasn't had to be touched at all this evening, despite north or south. Here we see NGC 536, galaxy in Andromeda, magnitude 12.4, 3 by 1.1 arc minute, spiral with a bar and lowercase b, 236 million light years distant, maybe 180,000 light years in diameter. RA1, 2621. declination plus 34, 4210. I suspect it's this baby right here next to that bright star. Our next view is NGC542, another galaxy in Andromeda. Magnitude 14.71 by 0.2 arc minutes, so 5-to-1 aspect ratio. Oh, we can see that baby right down there next to that probably 13th magnitude star. 211 million light years distant means it's probably 60,000 light years diameter. Right ascension 12630 with a declination of plus 34 degrees 40 minutes 31 seconds. Not a bad view for being that near the celestial equator. Okay, we didn't move very far, either that or I didn't punch in the values. For NGC 545, Galaxy Cetus, magnitude 12.2, 2.6 by 1.6 arc-minute lenticular spiral, 231 million light years distant, about the size of Messier 31, RA 12559 with a declination of minus 1 degrees 20 minutes and 25 seconds. Yes, it is the same field. Have a look at adventuresindeepspace.com in order to figure out which galaxy is which of the 6 or 7 or 8 I can see, 9 I can see in this field of view. Okay, our first study of the evening is NGC 550. It's a galaxy in Cetus, magnitude 12.7, 1.4 by 0.6 arc minutes. Spiral with a lowercase a, 261 million light years distant, maybe 85,000 light years in diameter. RA is 1 hour, 26 minutes, 42 seconds with a declination of plus 2 degrees, 1 minute and 19 seconds. Getting a decent view on this sweetie here at 150x. Here we be seeing NGC 551, galaxy in Andromeda, pretty well north, but within range, magnitude 12.7, 1.8 by 0.8 arc minutes. Spiral with a bar, lowercase bc, 237 million light years distant, maybe 110,000 light years in diameter. RA 12740 with a declination of plus 37 degrees 10 minutes 57 seconds. This is probably our study here. Magnitude 12.7. That seems a bit bright for 12.7, but I can live with it until I can verify it using adventuresindeepspace.com. Okay, we skipped a couple of galaxies. One was too far north. One was a duplicate. We're off to NGC 564. Galaxy in Cetus, magnitude 12.5, 1.3 by 1.1 arc minute, elliptical class 2, 261 million light years distant, maybe 50,000 light years in diameter, RA 12748 with a declination of minus 152.46. Let's get that view. Yeah. Magnitude 12.5 works for me. Here we should be seeing NGC 565, another galaxy in Cetus. Magnitude 13.5, edgy on. I think we can pick that out. 1.3 by 0.4 arc minutes. Spiral with a lowercase a, 201 million light years distant, maybe 50,000 light years in diameter. RA 128.10, declination minus 1, 1822. Here we get that view. Off to our next gal, NGC 570 in Cetus, magnitude 12.8, 1.6 by 1.3 arc minutes, spiral with a bar, lowercase a, 246 million light years distant, RA 1 hour 28:58 seconds, declination minus 56 minutes 58 seconds. Let's see if we can pick that baby out. 12.8. That's our sweetie right there. Okay, amazingly, we're 10, almost 11 minutes in. We're halfway through the series of study in the 550 to 599 group for 575. Galaxy in Pisces, magnitude 12.8, 1.7 by 1.6 arc minute, spiral with a bar, lowercase c, 142 million light years distant. RA 1 hour 30 minutes 46 seconds, declination plus 21 degrees 26 minutes 23 seconds. This is a good galaxy for somebody to try to turn up if you have a 10-inch Newtonian reflector or SCT or MCT. Anyway, NGC575 should be a challenge for a 10-inch scope. Here we should be seeing NGC577, a galaxy in Cetus. It's also 580, so I'll be skipping that one. Magnitude 12.9, 1.9 by 1.5 arc minutes, spiral with a bar, lowercase a, 266 million light years distant, means it's roughly the size of Messier 31, about 150,000 light years in diameter. RA 13040 with a declination of -1 degree, 59 minutes and 40 seconds. I do believe we're seeing the galaxy in the field. Let's push it up and have a closer, brighter look. After skipping a couple, one was too far north, the other was a duplicate, we end up at NGC 582, galaxy in Triangulum. It could be that is the edge on that was associated with 580, I believe it was, or 579. It is magnitude 13.2. It's given a really good view. 2.2 by 0.6 arc minutes, rather large for a 13th magnitude galaxy. Spiral with a bar, lowercase b, 197 million light years distant, means it's probably somewhere around 110,000 light years diameter. RA is 1 hour, 31 minute, 58 seconds. Very nice field. Declination plus 33 degrees, 28 minutes and 33 seconds. Framing both galaxies at the same time. Very nice fetching pair. Well, that nice bright galaxy you're seeing there is NGC 584. It's a galaxy in Cetus. It's got some neighbors. Magnitude 10.5, 3.3 by 1.9 arc minutes, 2:1 aspect ratio, elliptical class 4, 85 million light years distant. Means it's probably about 65,000 light years in diameter. We're at right ascension 1 hour, 31 minutes, 20 seconds, and a declination -6 degrees, 52 minutes, 5 seconds. The declination has not hurt it too badly. There's our view, NGC 584. You may be seeing, and I may be seeing, the Triangulum galaxy Messier 33, but what we're really looking for is a nebulosity. And it probably will be this one here. Let's zoom in a little bit and take a look at that. Okay, yeah, that's definitely it. It's a nebula in Triangulum within Messier 33, 0.7 arc minutes in size. It's just called an emissive nebula, 2.8 million light years distant. RA is 132.45 with a declination of plus 30 degrees, 38 minutes, and 56 seconds. Wow, that is a very nice view, 5-second exposure of the Triangulum galaxy. I now have a dog. Oh, he's in the backyard. Hey, neighbor, I'm out doing astronomy. That's okay, no problem. It's a beautiful night. Anyway, so we're at 1 hour, 32 minutes, 45 seconds with a declination of plus 30 degrees, 38 minutes, 56 seconds. I think you know what our next study is, but you may not know that it is also known as NGC598, otherwise known as Messier 33, the Triangulum galaxy. Let's gather some info on it. Push it up to 75x. It's magnitude 5.7 collectively, but it's huge, 68.7 by 41.6 arc minutes. I think I did a calculation on something like average surface brightness 13.5, maybe 14. It's a fairly immature spiral, as you might suspect, lowercase c, 2.8 million light years distant. I know it's about 60,000 light years in diameter. Its right ascension is 1 hour, 33 minutes, 50 seconds with a declination of plus 30 degrees, 39 minutes, and 36 seconds. Well, I think I will make this our mystery study for the evening. We're at right ascension 3 hours, 47 minutes, and a declination of plus 24 degrees, 7 minutes, and 0 seconds. I like this view. And with that, I am going to say, Carpe Noctem.